You probably don't know who I am, Richard, but I'm going to be the upcoming Burp King. That's how it's going to be, baby. There are 3 different types of burps. I will go through them with you. 3 types. Kool-Aid Man burp.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so there's this thing that happens to me when I drink energy drinks. And it's honestly kind of scary because it hurts, but it also feels good.
Alright, so another day of school. It's Friday, and I'm drinking an energy drink. Day 1 of learning that you could burp. Mom, I can burp. Day 2, learning that you could burp. Day 100 of you burping.
Sorry. Bitch! Oh, no, you don't. No!
Alright, it is 12:15 on a school night. And there's one reason I'm awake, and it's because I'm trying to figure out what are the ants. It doesn't make sense. I don't get it.
Oh, fuck, I almost puked. That was disgusting.
Alright, I'm hungry again. Alright, hungry part 2.
What the hell is that? Oh my god!
I go fast.
Yes!
Vibing with anyone, but I found this. And I kept like touching it, and she's like, you wanna go get a Michelob Ultra at the bar? And I was like, I'm gonna be honest with you, lady. I'm probably gonna go to sleep. I got Vincent Van Gogh on the podcast, so I'm not.
Got it.
Taylor burped while smiling, so I'm gonna try it.